Hi, I'm interior designer Shivangi, co-founder and partner at ANS Design House, and I'm back with the yet another home tour of a lovely house. It belongs to a lovely family of four. It is a 2,000 square feet house at Enigma, Oberoi, Realty, Mumbai. Unlike all other Mumbai houses, this is very spacious house. Lot of natural light coming in. All rooms have their individual concept, but my favorite part of this house is the living room, where we have added up the kitchen. We have made the kitchen open and made a huge living room. It shows the luxury, but at the same time, in the living room, we have carved out two spaces. One is study, which is a very personal work from home conceptual space, and the other is a small mandir. Rest, I would want you to discover the house by yourself. So come on, let's have a little home tour. Hope you love this lovely house nestled in the heart of Mulund, Mumbai. For more such videos, stay tuned to my YouTube channel Interior Designer Shivangi, and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.